Hey, what's going on, Samurais? Welcome to today's video. I am Sam I Am, and today I'm coming at you guys with the real or fake photo challenge. So basically, we're going to be looking at photographs and deciding if they're real or if they've been photoshopped. But before we do that, if you're brand new around here, maybe possibly think about going down there and clicking that subscribe button. Please, 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 please. We would love to have you as part of the familia. Also, remember to follow me on all my social media at SamAngelo so you guys can stay up to date when I post new videos. All right, guys, so like I said, we're going to be playing the real or fake photo game today. It's real simple. We're going to look at a whole bunch of photos and we're going to decide if they're real or if they have been photoshopped. Hopefully, since this is kind of what I do for my living, I should be hopefully pretty good at this, maybe, possibly, but we'll see. You guys can play along, keep track if you guys think the photo's real or if the photo's fake. At the end of the video, in the comment section, leave and let me know how many you guys got right or wrong. All right, let's start playing the game. We are going to click start. The first photo up looks like it's a photo of like maybe a micro chameleon. I'm not 100% sure, not a lizard expert, although I do, fun fact, own a turtle. But we have some great detail in this photo. It looks like it's a macro photo to me, so macro photography, of course. We can see really great detail again, like in the lizard, in the finger. We can even see some of the fingerprints. Great contrast, great bokeh. So that's like the blurring behind the subject because of the depth of field. I'm going to say that this is a 100% real photo. Let's see if I am correct. Yes, we are correct. All right, cows. Ooh, right off the bat, this cow right here screams fake. It looks Photoshop. Its coloring's off, its shadowing's off, its lighting's off. I'm going to say I'm going to say fake, maybe fake. Yep, it is a fake photo. All right. Oh, also, guys, I've never played this game before. This is the first time I played this, so you are getting my real answer. So if I screw up, I screw up in front of all of you guys. All right, a bald eagle. This bald eagle looks almost like a painting to me. We have perfect like little triangles down here with the feathers, beautiful coloring in the beak. The one thing, again, we got that nice soft bokeh from the camera. It doesn't look digital to me. We have this eye specular highlight right here going on. Because of the specular highlight, and only because of the specular highlight, I am going to say that this photo is real. If it isn't, this is one damn good Photoshop job. Let's click it and see, are we correct? We are correct. Ooh, a landscape. Landscapes are very, very tricky. There's a lot of dirty things really good Photoshop guys can do with landscapes. You know, they could easily duplicate this piece of mountain here. They could, you know, swap it there. So things we want to look at is the sky. Did they swap the sky? Shadows. Are the shadows correct? Is the lighting correct? Are the reflections correct? Everything in this photo looks to me to be real. Am I right? Only time will tell. Let's see. Yep, we got it. Oh, a polar bear. Oh, I love polar bears. They're so cute. Actually, fun fact, little side note here. I was just watching a video about a guy who trains polar bears for TV shows and commercials. They live at his house and he like swims with them. Really cool video. I'll put a link to that in the description below. So everything about the bear looks right to me on this photo. The thing that, I mean, yes, a bear could be holding a fish. I would assume if a bear has a fish, it's going to eat the fish, not hold it. But my dog does like to play with its dog treats before he eats them. But I'm looking at a really, really high-def screen over here, a 4K screen, perfectly color balance, all that kind of stuff. So you guys might not be able to see it as well as I can. But this nail here looks a little bit funky, like it was cut off when they like inserted the fish. So I'm gonna go fake. I'm gonna say that there's something fishy about this photo. Get it? Fishy about the photo? Maybe, possibly. Come on, I'm trying my best with jokes here. And we are correct. the fish was fake. All right, so there is a plane, and I believe that is the Golden Gate Bridge. I've drove over that bridge a couple times in my life. So the lighting is coming this way onto the bridge. Our shadows are going down here. So, well, wait, hang on. Shadows are where? So the shadow, something's shadowing this way? Well, I guess the bridge is creating the lighting's coming down at an angle. And this stream of smoke behind here doesn't look 100% right. I would think it would be a little more diffused. I'm going to say fake. I'm going to say they photoshopped in the plane. Plus, I'm pretty sure that's probably against the law to fly underneath the Golden Gate Bridge with a plane, unless it's like for some type of air show or something. An owl. All right, let's take a look at this owl and see if the owl photo is real or is it fake. Stay tuned, because only time will tell. All right, so this owl photo has really great depth of field. We can see it's getting a little bit soft focused this way, much sharper up here. Specular highlight. I can say 100% sure this photo is real. I'm not 100% sure. It is. Look, I was right all the time and I knew. Oh man, does that look fake to me? But I have photographed peacocks and I know they are very, very, very colorful. Beautiful colors. Great detail. It's very sharp, very in focus. I think they used a very good lens to take this photo, and I also think they used some filters on the front of that lens. But I think this photo is real. Are we correct? We are correct. So far, so good. Oh, a whale. I believe that is a blue whale, or Sam, insert the correct word if it's not a blue whale. I don't know. I have no clue about whales other than orcas or killer whales. But first thing right off the bat, the lighting on this photo is coming from this direction. This bird has lighting coming from this direction. I think that this is a fake photo. I think they photoshopped that bird in. Let's see if I'm right. I am correct. Also, if I was that bird and I saw that whale coming out, I would probably have a heart attack, because it would be like, woo, and I'd be like, oh, look at that cute puppy dog. Where's my cute puppy dog? You're sleeping? You're not going to pay any attention to me? Okay, fine, be that way. So, if we look at this dog, again, we have great bokeh. Doesn't look digitally put in there, like they didn't add any of the blurring. The lighting looks right. The shadows looks right. I'm going to say that this is definitely a real photo. All right, what is next? Ooh, a building. Now, this could get me. This could be the one that sinks our perfect run here, because it would be really easy to put this tower in behind here, or add this house, or put these trees in, or change out that sky. One of the things we're going to want to really look at are these steps, because if we see any duplications, like I kind of see there, they could have removed people from the photo. Also, the doors would be easy to change colors. I think there was some Photoshop work because of this area right here in the photo. So I'm going to say fake. I think they took people out. Oh, and they did. All right, piggies. So one of the things we want to check with this pig photo is, again, like the cow photo, is the coloring correct? Coloring looks right to me on both of the pigs, from the mama pig to the baby pig. The lighting looks right. All the shadow angles look right. I'm going to say, guys, that this is a real photo. Is it real? It is. We are doing good. Oh, right off the bat, I'm going to go fake on this photo. Now, let me explain why. I have seen lightning a lot of times driving through like Death Valley and storms like that. And I know that when there's lightning, we see little other branches coming off through the clouds typically. We also don't naturally see this type of coloring unless we're doing like a super long exposure. Plus, most roads in the United States, not this perfect unless they just laid it for the photo shoot that day. So I'm going to say that this is a day to night reproduction. Let's see if I am right is it fake? And it is. All right. Ooh, this hot air balloon. So, looking at this photo, sorry guys. Looking at this photo, right off the bat, this coloring looks flat. This coloring looks rich. So I'm thinking they replaced the sky. I'm thinking it was less of a perfect day, so they added in something a little more blue with a little bit more clouds. Plus, if we look right around here, it looks like there's a little bit of tooling going on. I'm gonna say sky replacement, fake. Let's see if I am right. I am right. All right, guys. Ricky the Raccoon is our last photo. He could break our perfect perfect streak right now. Let's see how well we can do here. So we're looking at the raccoon. Great detail in the fur. Good specular highlight. The shadow is right underneath the paw. If this is not a real photo, they're really good at Photoshop. Let's see if I'm right. And we are correct. That is 100 out of 100. Let me know how you guys did in the comment section below. If you want to see more real or fake photo games like this, also let me know in the comment section below. If you want any other type of content, let me know in the comment section below. What I'm basically saying is leave a comment in the comment section below because I want to talk to you guys. All right, until next time, remember to dream big, think bigger, and always be you. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.